Learn the Persian verb, to be, equals.
بودن.
I am to they are. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. Let's make Persian fun and fast together. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For free practice packs and transcripts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Warm up your smile muscles. Yes, the grammar jokes are coming. Your goal today. By the end, you will say every key form of the Persian verb to be with confidence. To be equals.
بودن.
I am equals.
من هستم.
You are, singular, informal, equals.
تو هستی.
He is equals.
او است.
She is equals.
او است.
It is equals.
است.
We are equals.
ما هستیم.
You are, plural, formal, equals.
شما هستید.
They are equals.
آنها هستند.
Quick forms tour. Listen and repeat. Keep it punchy and playful. I am ready.
من هستم آماده.
You are kind.
تو هستی مهربان.
He is here.
او است اینجا.
She is the winner.
او است برنده.
It is true.
درست است.
We are a team.
ما هستیم یک تیم.
You are amazing, plural, formal.
شما هستید شگفت‌انگیز.
They are students.
آنها هستند دانشجو.
Dialogue, the mystery snack. Enjoy a tiny, tasty scene and echo the Persian lines after me. A. I am hungry.
من هستم.
So ready for this snack. B. You are brave.
تو هستی.
The official taste tester. A. He is watching.
او است.
Very suspicious. B. She is laughing.
او است.
Definitely filming us. A. It is delicious.
خوشمزه است.
B. We are in trouble.
ما هستیم.
Out of napkins. A. You are the heroes.
شما هستید.
If you brought extra. All. They are the real MVPs.
آنها هستند.
With the tissues. Rhythm drill. Clap lightly and speak on the beat. Repetition makes it stick. Beat 1. I am.
من هستم.
Beat 2. You are, singular.
تو هستی.
Beat 3. He is.
او است.
She is.
او است.
Beat 4. It is.
است.
Beat 5. We are.
ما هستیم.
Beat 6. You are, plural, formal.
شما هستید.
Beat 7. They are.
آنها هستند.
Culture tip. Persian copula quirks. Here's a friendly hint to sound natural. In everyday Persian, speakers often drop the explicit is and use endings or simply context, but the neutral forms you are learning, like
او است.
and sentence final,
است.
are perfect for clarity and writing. A famous line to remember is to be or not to be equals.
بودن یا نبودن.
Quick quiz. Say your answers out loud, then check with the reveal. Q1. Say I am in Persian. A.
من هستم.
Q2. Say you are, speaking to a friend. A.
تو هستی.
Q3. Say he is. A.
او است.
Q4. Say it is. A.
است.
Q5. Say we are. A.
ما هستیم.
Q6. Say you are, speaking to a group or formally. A.
شما هستید.
Q7. Say they are. A.
آنها هستند.
Bonus. Say the infinitive to be. A.
بودن.
Challenge and goodbye. You have got this. Micro practice beats mega cramming. Challenge. Build 3 tiny truths about your day using any mix of forms. For example, I am ready.
من هستم آماده.
We are in the park.
ما هستیم در پارک.
It is sunny.
آفتابی است.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily. Smile when you say.
بودن.
And come grab more lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time from Synapse Lingo.